Today, I want to walk you through an SOP I built for a client. This is for a short-let company. They have properties in two countries. I've already created the workflow, the automations, everything, and also a dashboard summary. But I added a walkthrough video for them to understand how the system works. But I also added an SOP, like a documentation, so that the employees or whoever they want to employ after this time can understand how this workflow works. So it details everything about this particular company. It's a short-lived company, and they operate with short-term rental properties in the United Kingdom and Thailand, and this is how the guide is. So I've already mapped everything so as if you want to go to this particular board, you can click on it and it takes you to this board here. That's what I did for everyone, and you can see how it gets started. So all the roles that would need to be on this particular operations, they are right here, and these particular roles are tailored to the specific board that they need to be. So you can see that here as well. You can see it here on the primary owner. So you can see it here with the particular board and the purpose that they need to do. So this is for the guest experience. The guest experience needs an head of the guest experience. This is the person that will take track of all the complaints, reviews, and to ensure that there is a brand consistency that is being maintained. Every issues are being logged, and to give basically the satisfaction to those particular guests that will be staying in those short let apartments. So this is everything that I've logged here. I also added how to create a new property. If there was to be a new property in a specific country, they can just go to the property table and add this the new property with the location and everything that is already there. So I have the maintenance board, which is another one. This is where every issue, every complaint that was gotten from the guest is going to be tracked here. Everything that needs to be maintained, that needs to be escalated, is also going to be here. And if they are a recurring issue, it's also going to be tracked here as well. And this is also linked to all the other boards. That is why this particular project is cross connected, is linked to other boards, because the maintenance needs items from the procurement to carry out the maintenance issues here. So you can see the issue type. We have the source channel where this particular issue was coming from. Was it from WhatsApp, email, Airbnb, or the booking app that the guests were coming from? It also has the due date. And this assignee, I use an auto assign field where the automation can basically look at the issue type and assign the right employee that needs to carry out that particular issue. And you can see that is also linked to the procurement and the inspection board. So I have another how to if they want to log a new issue, because what I did was to build this existing workflow with the current issues that they have. So after building it, if they have more issues that they want to log, that they want to track going forward, they can use this step to log those issues. And from the guest experience, there is a form. So this is where the guest sends in any complaints that they want to review, and those videos, those pictures will be uploaded as they are linked to the maintenance board. So we have the procurement. This is where any purchase that wants to be made, any delivery that has gone wrong can and the delivery status will be seen on this particular log. Because another issue that this particular client has was that some of the deliveries were sent to the wrong address. So those are the things that are logged on this particular procurement. And we have the inspection tracker. This is for the inspectors where they carry out monthly routine checks to ensure that after a guest leave or before a guest stays in that particular apartment or property, they are fully ready and everything is tracked well. So that is what the inspection does, and these are the inspection type. So this is how to log a new inspection, and we have the guest tracker. This is what carries all of the issue that wants to be addressed with the maintenance and all the other ones. So this is basically what I did for this client. If you have a project that you don't want to just build a workflow for, you don't want to perform tasks that will just sit there and you will not know how to use them after your automation specialist has done this work, you can reach out to me. I will not only create walkthrough videos, I'll create detailed SOP carrying out everything from the boards I've created, how to log any issue or any specific tags with the automations that I've also set as well. So these are the different automations that I've built, and you can also see it here. These are the dashboards that I've created, and you can also see it here. So you can reach out to me. My name is Vivo Commander, and I would love to work with you. Bye.